Chapter 3 Property of Triangles. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today I will start your exercise 3.2. Let us start this one. Now first is perpendicular from a point on a given line segment. So condition first, when point is on the line segment. This is the line and point on the line. This one is line. So let us see how can do this. Yes, first take a scale like this. You have seen here this one is scale, and the line is, you can draw a line. How much? It's 8 centimeter about. No, it is 8 centimeter. You can say it is 8 centimeter. It is 8 centimeter. Yes. Now take a roundel. First of all, you put the point. Point is here. This one. It is your point, and draw perpendicular. How can draw this? First draw a line AB. So you can write here AB. Now take a roundel and put here. The roundel is taking here. This one, and do take this distance. And what happen in this? Now roundel is going to draw this one, put complete line like this. Okay. Now once again take this roundel here and open this roundel like this, and it is here. Like this. You can put here and draw the line. How can draw this? This is like this. Now once again you can put here the roundel and draw like this. Now once again take your distance. Distance is not locked. So first of all you can put the distance like this. It is clear. So lock this roundel and now put the roundel here and yes, do the this type. Make an arc here and also downwards here also you can do here. So it is not necessary. Now you can remove the roundel and take scale, and you can draw a line here like this. You can see here how can draw this line. This one. Okay, so how can draw this? Take your pencil and now draw the line like this. So that is the perpendicular on point P. Remove the roundel. This is the point P. You can write here P, and it is perpendicular, so you can make it is the 90 degree. How can say it is 90 degree and perpendicular? We can see with the help of this one. So you can put in the on this. You can see here it is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. So your exactly 90 degree it is. So you can see it's a very easy method to draw the perpendicular line on the condition second, in which the point is outside. When the point is outside the line is here, line is AB, and the point P is outside here. Suppose it is here. So how can draw this type of construction? So you can see, let us see how can draw. Now take a scale. It is here. So you can handle to this. looking like. Yes, this one. And draw a line. Which one? It is near about 8 centimeter. So this is the 8 centimeter. You have see here it is 8 centimeter. So remove the scale and write the AB, where AB is equal to 8 centimeters. So this one is a point P. So you can see here this one is a point P. Take rounder to here and put the on point P, and this is open the lock and take this one. So lock this one and make an arc. So how can make arc? This type of, you can make the arc like this. Okay, now what will be happen? Now take this roundel at this point. Yes, roundel on this point, and distance decrease some. Yes, like this, and make an arc like this. You can make this one arc. Yes, this type you can make arc like this. Once again, take at this point and second make an arc like this. So it is not intersect. So first, second one, then put here also in, and once again do this. Like this. Okay, now remove the roundel like this and draw the line with the help of a scale. So how can this one? You can take and move this type scale like this and put here. Like this, very straight line. It is looking like a very straight line, and draw a line like this, and which is perpendicular to this one. It is perpendicular, so remove the scale. You have to see it is perpendicular, and how can see? Just you watch with the help of this D. So take your D and put on it. So that is your 90 degree. So you can see it is 90 degree. So just watch, it is 90 degree. So our line is perpendicular, clearly perpendicular. So it is a perpendicular construction. How can draw a perpendicular line on any given line? That is the. Let us see how can draw the perpendicular bisector. First, take your scale and see here. This is your scale. First, draw a line, and suppose your line is, take your pencil, and the line is about 8 centimeters. It is near about 8 centimeters. So you can see here it is 8 centimeter. Now remove the scale and take roundel. And first you give the name. It is A and it is your B. Now this roundel put on A, this one, and take this one and more than half distance. Take more than half distance and lock this one and make an arc on the upper part. So how can make this part? Yes. Now see here. So first of all, you can make an arc like this. This one. It is one arc, and also in down. Yes, also, so if you can make one arc here like this. Okay, now come to the here. Yes, here. So you can make second arc on downwards like this. Now put the roundel here at B and make an arc like this. Yes, it is looking like this. So you can put here one, and second arc is here. So you can draw like this, and both the arc intersect at this point. If it is not intersecting, so you can put again once again at A, and you can check where is the point. So you can once again draw this line arc. So remove the roundel and take scale and join to these intersection points. So how can this one? So first of all, do this type of scale and take here on this point. This is your point, and this point is here like this. Yes, you can see here, this one is here and this point is here. Yes, now draw your line like this, and which is perpendicular to this. First remove and check it is perpendicular or not. So it is your D, and you can see here with the help of D. Take here, it is 90 degree, that means it is a perpendicular line. So it is a very simple way to draw the perpendicular. It's a triangle ABC, and how can find the median? First, draw a triangle ABC with the help of a scale and pencil, and do the bisector of BC. First of all, draw triangle ABC and do the bisector, perpendicular bisector of AB, which meets at point D, and join the AD, and this is the median. It is your median of a triangle ABC, and that is from A to D. D is the midpoint of BC. So now let us see what happened in this. This is a complete triangle ABC, and the bisector of this one, perpendicular bisector BC and perpendicular bisector of AC drawn, and they intersect at point O, and that point O is the centroid, so it is called as centroid. You have seen here, and medians are intersecting at a point. So always remember, the median of a triangle coincide at a point. So it is coincide at point where this point is O, and it is called as centroid. Now come to know what happened in this. You will see that all three medians of triangle passes through same point, or we can say the medians of a triangle coincide at a point. The intersecting point of medians is known as centroid, and that is the O, and is the centroid of the triangle ABC. Let us come to see in this question. It is a figure, and what happened in this figure? Name of ABC triangle, this one is ABC given, and the distance of G is given from the vertices. So here is, and the distance of midpoint opposite sides, and distance of midpoint of opposite sides given here. So first of all, we want to watch the ratio of AG and GB. What is the ratio of AG and GB? So first, for median AB, you can write here for median AD. So AG upon GD. What will be AG? AG is given as 2.2 centimeter, and GD is 1.1 centimeter. So remove points and cut 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja. So it is 2 upon 1. So ratio is given as 2 raised to 1. Now what will be happen in second for BD? What happen in BD? So first of all, where is BD? It is BD. So here is BG given. So BG is given as 3 centimeter and GD. So you can write here for median, that is BD. It is given as BG is equal to 3 centimeter, and what about to this GD? GD is given as 1.5 centimeter. It is 1.5 centimeter. So BG upon GD is equal to 3 upon 1.5. Remove the decimal and put the 0 on above parts. So 15 1 ja 15 and 15 2 ja 30. So it is 2 by 1. So that means its ratio will be 2 raised to 1. And now in the third for median, which one? Median CF. What will be happen? So what will be happen? We can write here. So CF, as you know, it is given as GC. GC is how much? 3.4 centimeter, and the FG is given as 1.7 centimeter. Now find the ratio GC upon FG. That is 3.4 upon 1.7. So remove the point by point. So 17 1 ja 17 and 17 2 ja 34. So it is 2 upon the, so ratio is 2 upon 1. So always remember, the centroid of a triangle is always divide the median into 2 raised to 1. Always remember, it is necessary for you, and you can do the homework. It is your homework. That is a 3.14, 3.15 and 3.16. It is 3.14, 3.15 and it is 3.16. So you can do this type of, so that is the homework. It is your homework. आपको क्या करना है, इसको मेजरमेंट करना है और मेजरमेंट करके यहाँ फिलअप करना, फिलअप करके इनके रेशो फाइंड करने हैं. And remember, all the ratios are in the 2 raised to 1. Now come to the exercise 2.3. So 3.2, sorry. So fill the following, fill in the blanks. So median of a triangle is segment that joining the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. You can write here midpoint. Midpoint of opposite side. Altitude of a triangle is the segment that is from a vertex on the opposite side is a perpendicular. It is perpendicular from a vertex on the opposite side. The median of a triangles are which one? You can see here, it is coincide. Coincide, you have see here. This one is coincide. Where is given is coincide? You can see this one. Coincide. Median of a triangle meets at a point. That point is called as median of a triangle meets at a point. That point is called as centroid. It is centroid. Altitude of a triangle meets at a point, and the point is called orthocenter. It is orthocenter. Centroid of a triangle divides the median in the ratio, that is the 2 raised to 1. So this, the fill in the blanks is completed now. Now come to the construct 2 triangles in your notebook and find their centroid. How can find the centroid? Let us see in the video. First of all, make a triangle like this. It is very simple. How can make this triangle? Draw a one line, and now the second line like this, and now the third line from here. So it becomes a triangle. You have to see here. So it becomes triangle ABC. It is A point, it is B point, and it is C. Let us how can do the perpendicular bisector of BC, AB and AC. सबके परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स खींचने तभी मीडियन हमें फाइंड होगी. चलिए देखते हैं हाउ कैन ड्रॉ दिस. सो मीडियन, now take roundel and put on point C like this and make an arc here where ये डिस्टेंस थोड़ी कम कर लेना अपनी, बट इट इज मोर देन हाफ. इट इज नेसेसरी, इट इज द डिस्टेंस इज मोर देन हाफ. एंड मेक एन आर्क लाइक दिस हियर. फर्स्ट यू log this one and make an arc like this. Yes, and now it is also here, this one. And second you can put here this one, it is here. You can put this one, and now you can make arc like this. And here it is not completed, so we can put once again here, and this one is taking here like this. Like this. Now remove the roundel and take scale and draw a line, this one. Yes, now remove the roundel. This scale remove, and now take once again roundel and the same distance you can put. हाँ धर दो, आ रहा हूँ, like this, and once again take this here and here like this, and remove the roundel and take your scale and put here the scale in this way. Here and make a line with the help of pencil like this. So you can see, remove the scale. This point is the median point, this point is, and that is O. You can write here O and join to all these. Take a pencil and line, make a line with the help of midpoint. So that one is joined to B2, this point is, and here is joined to this one, it is here, and now join to this one. There is a one line is here, so you can join here. Yes, that point is O. So that is the median. You can see this one is median, always remember. Question number 3. Construct a right angle triangle and find its orthocenter. How can find the orthocenter? First of all, you can construct a right triangle and draw perpendicular lines from all the vertices on the sides. ये vertices हैं, सभी sides से vertices से सभी sides पे perpendicular line draw करनी है. So let us watch how can find the orthocenter of the triangle. First of all, draw a right angle triangle. How can draw? So you can take this one as a scale. So first of all, take scale and make 90-degree triangles. So how can find the 90-degree triangles? First, draw a line that is 6 centimeter. You can take a line, this one. It is about 6 centimeter, or you can say that is the 8 centimeter. It is clear, 8 centimeter. Now once again at right angle. How can find the right angle? First remove this one, and this is the D. First make a right angle. How can make? Take this one and take a point here on this and remove this and draw a line with the help of a scale. So you can draw this line. Yes, draw the line like this. This one. And now remove this scale and draw a line from here and join to this. This is a triangle of ABC. So you can write here A, B and C. Now draw perpendicular line to this vertices from B, and then from A, and then from C. So let us see the perpendicular. How can draw a line perpendicular from a vertices B on AC? So let us see. Now take a rounder and put on the point B. It is point B, and now you can remove here and open this. So you can here take this one. Take just more. Now draw a line like this. Yes, like this. you can draw like this line. Once again, take a roundel from here and do the less distance of this, and take an arc like this, and once again it is here. Now make an arc. Make the another arc like this and remove the roundel, and with the help of a scale join to this point. This and this point is joined with the help of a scale. So how can join this? So you can let us see. It is very easy to join here. That point and here is like this. Yes, like this. Now draw this line. It is here. Now remove the scale. So the orthocenter is this is intersecting the point B. So you can see here the angle what happened in this. It is the 90 degree from the vertex B, and which is meet at B, and from vertex A it is also 90 degree, and from vertex C it is also 90 degrees. So all the 90 degree here, so two 90 degree and third 90 degree is here. So this is the orthocenter O. It is called as orthocenter. So ऐसे ही इसको हम ड्रॉ करेंगे. राइट एंगल में ऐसे ही ड्रॉ होता है ऑर्थोसेंटर. Now question number 4. Construct a triangle, draw its three median. Do the median intersect at one point. So it is the triangle ABC and these are the medians. So you can draw this the previous questions. So they are meeting at the point O. But how can draw the median and how can construct this? Just watch out and see here. First of all, draw triangles with the help of scales. So it is your scale. So I will just show you how can do this type of construction. So this one is your scale. Now draw a line segment. How much? It is 6 centimeter. So it is your pencil and draw. It is 6 centimeter. This one is 6 centimeter. Now once again make this type of angle. It is the second line, and now come to the third line, and to make triangle Draw a line. Now remove the scale. So it is the triangle of ABC. Now how can find the medians? First of all, do the साइड बाइसेक्टर, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, इस साइड का और इस साइड का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करना है। तो मैं ए सी और ए बी का करके दिखा रहा हूँ। सो यू कैन जस्ट टेक अ राउंडर एंड पुट हेयर दिस वन एंड take some distance, less distance, more than half distance to this pencil and make an arc like this. And here is also you can make here. The distance do not must be changed here, so you can lock here. Now where is the this one? Now once again take the roundel here and do this here. Second one is it is make an arc like this, and once again to make here like this you can make like this arc. Yes. Now remove the roundel and take scale and now join to this line. Now with the help of pencil you can draw this like this, and now once again take AB point, remove this scale, and now here take a roundel at B. Now how can draw this? You can take here roundel here. Now put an arc here, and once again it is here. It is like this. Yes. Now put the roundel here, B at B, and make like this one arc, and now second arc is here. Like this, and remove the roundel and take an scale, this one is scale, and draw a second line. And draw the line this type. Okay. Now remove the scale and draw this type. It is the midpoint, and we can join the all the medians. This one is midpoint and it is also midpoint. This one is now joined to. How can join this? You can see, just watch here. It is a point C. Just draw a line. This is the median, this one, and the second median you can draw from here. Where is the B point? It is the B point. Now you can take here like this, and this one is B point, and just watch to see how the scale is here. Now just draw a line. Take a pencil and draw this line. It is a second median, and you can draw a third median from this point. They intersect at this point O, and that is called as centroid of the triangle. So first, now you can see here, this type. So these are the medians. So you can say it is median. It is median first, it is median second, and that is the median third. So it is first, it is second, and this one is third median. So this type you can do the construction of medians, and the medians are intersecting at the point O, and the O point is called as centroid of a triangle. इसी के साथ ये लेसन समाप्त हो रहा है। ये रेड बटन दबा करके मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे, जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके, और कॉपी वगैरह कंप्लीट कर लेंगे। मैंने बहुत कोशिश करी है कि आप लोगों को कंस्ट्रक्शन बनती हुई दिख सके, इसलिए इस वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे और कमेंट्स भी करेंगे आप लोगों को कैसा लगा। वैसे मैं और नई वीडियो बना करके डालने का प्रयास करूँगा। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।